Captain Rambo?
Yes, sir?
I don't know how to say this, but your friend, White Lightning, has been taken captive by the enemy militia forces known as the Vietcong.
No.
Rambo, this mission is suicide.
I have to do this. White Lightning!
It's about time you got here, Rambo.
White Lightning, I'm coming.
My hand.
What's up, brother? White Lightning, don't worry.
Go.
This is 2699er. We got him, Chief. We got White Lightning. Calling in an airstrike in area 2499er. Watch out!
You good?
White Lightning, I'm out of the fight. Get out of here. There's an airstrike coming in. Oh. White Lightning.
Damn it, now.
Bounce out of here. Take my knife. Go.